happy Halloween. So Texas Chainsaw Massacre is one of my favorite scary movies, if you will, particularly the 2003, which is why I took more time with that video. We weren't going to go to the other location, but we ended up going. It's going to be definitely a shorter video, so that's going to be the next one. It's really short, but we only did 2 locations for the 1974 film. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this video because I was really excited to go, and it's been on my list for so long. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Here we go, Texas Chainsaw Massacre. Guys, so I am in Austin, Texas today, visiting the filming locations of Texas Chainsaw Massacre 2003. I've never seen the 1974 film, so I'm not sure if we're going to go to those, but we might. Right now we're at the gas station where they stopped to use the phone, which it says it is a store. Like, it says close until August 7th. So it says to go on their Facebook page, but I guess this is like some kind of store now. Alright, so as you see there, they say that's a store. Yeah, there were the gas pumps. I totally forgot about that. That's probably why everything looks so different when I got there. I wish it was open right now so that I could show you. Well, I could see it too because I've never seen it myself. Eventually the girls try to find a bathroom, and that shed over there is the shed that they tried. Well, it's supposed to be bathrooms, and when they open the door it's like really gross, so they changed their mind and they come back. But that's the shed back there. So cool. So I think the angle was actually taken from this side over. So I'm going to take a picture also from this angle. Or was it that? Because there's the pole. So you see there's the pole I was talking about, and there's the other shed on the other side, which is probably why I got so confused on the sheds. But see, you see the other one there in the angle. And right in the beginning of this shot, you saw the window on this side, and the other shed didn't have any windows. So that's why I finally figured it out. So I might be wrong. I think the shed is probably this one because of the pole and the window. So it might be this one. I really thought it was this one, but it's not. I really think it's this one. And now we're at old Crawford Mill. It's an abandoned whatever this is. Looks super creepy. Oh yeah, that's where the car would have been parked when he was yelling at him, the cop car. I don't know why that car is there, but that's super cool. So I guess this was an actual mill. That's what my boyfriend was just saying. That But the angle that I have in my pictures, I think was taken from that side this way. I can't believe that truck is still there. Summer of 2016. Oh wow. That is super cool. How much did they film inside though?
They walked in looking around, but the sheriff was in there, and then they came back out, and the sheriff showed us.
Oh, okay. So I think this was more the angle. Oh gosh, sorry, I'm like stepping on shit and I got scared. But this is more the angle, I think, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. This is why everything looks so different. I mean, look at all this stuff that was out there. None of that stuff is there, obviously, now. And fuck my ass. I will. Okay. This is where that little kid would have been. I think maybe from the other direction. I don't recommend going in here at all. But alright. So yeah, I think maybe from this angle. I gotta get out of here. I mean, look at this. Look at this. Not good. We're driving up to the Texas Chainsaw House. You can kind of already see it. Of course, it's private property, so we'll be able to get up to the gate at least, and that's it. Why can't we get in there? So this is as close as you can get to the house, but you can see it. There it is. Gosh, it's so nice. It's really big. Literally in the middle of nowhere. And there's the gates to the house. So cool. So there's people here now that came to see it as well. But yeah, look at all this. I'm not.
Don't get too close to the fence, Mama, because you don't know if it's electric or not.
I was thinking the same thing. This is the angle that you first see the meat packaging place when she's running up, and I believe she walks into that door. I'll double check. And then towards the back there is where she was being chased, and the building is completely abandoned. I wish there was a way to get in there. There it is. Oh, and it actually said Blair Meat Company, which I didn't remember that. It's funny because she runs this way, but that stuff was actually on the other side. I do remember this right here. This is when she runs up. She goes through these things. She runs up. I was trying to find like the main entrance of it all, but let me see. Yeah, I guess. So when she's being chased, she's running through this right here and goes in through that door right up there. Cool. All right, well then that's it. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Happy Halloween, and I will see you guys next time.